Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into ESTATEX, or $ESX, a crypto coin that's making waves by connecting to real-world assets, specifically in the real estate sector. Our goal is to guide you on how to acquire $ESX, which operates on multiple blockchains including BNB, BSC, ETH, Ethereum, and Base. Oh, what exactly is $ESX? It's a token that represents ownership or rights related to real estate assets, leveraging blockchain technology for various use cases. This token is directly linked to real-world estate, bringing benefits like fractional ownership and easier trading to the traditionally illiquid real estate market. The ESTATEX ecosystem encompasses a platform, partners, and a thriving community, offering a compelling value proposition for investors interested in real estate tokenization. Key aspect of $ESX is its presence on multiple blockchains: BNB Chain, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Base. This multi-chain support enhances scalability, accessibility, and diversification. On BNB Chain, operating under the BP20 standard, $ESX benefits from low fees and fast transactions. Similarly, on Binance Smart Chain, $ESX unlocks various DeFi opportunities. On Ethereum, as an ERC20 token, $ESX leverages the network's robust security and wide adoption. Finally, on Base, $ESX enjoys the benefits of a low-cost, developer-friendly Layer 2 solution. Any of the primary exchanges where you can buy $ESX is MEXC Global. MEXC Global was selected because of its liquidity and accessibility. To get started, you'll need to create a MEXC Global account, following their step-by-step sign-up process, which includes KYC verification. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds, such as USDT, BNB, or ETH, into your MEXC Global account. You can transfer these funds from other wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Then, using the MEXC Global trading interface, you can buy $ESX. You'll have options for different types of orders, such as market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to buy at a specific price. For example, you can use your USDT to purchase $ESX directly on the exchange. Alternatively, you can also acquire $ESX using decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. DEXs offer a non-custodial approach, allowing for direct token swaps. To use DEXs, you'll need a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Setting up a Web3 wallet involves a step-by-step process, and it's crucial to secure your wallet with a strong seed phrase and private key. Next, you'll need to add the correct network to your wallet, whether it's BNB Chain, BSC, Ethereum, or Base, using the appropriate network parameters like the RPC URL and chain ID. To swap for $ESX on DEXs, you'll connect your wallet to the DEX, like PancakeSwap, and find the correct $ESX contract address for each chain. Then, you can swap tokens, for example, BNB or USDT for $ESX, keeping in mind the slippage settings to ensure your transaction goes through as expected. PancakeSwap is commonly used for BSC, while Uniswap is popular for Ethereum. If we're investing in $ESX, it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence. Read the white paper carefully, understand the team behind the project, and review the roadmap. Remember that cryptocurrency investments are inherently volatile, so invest responsibly. Security is paramount. Protect your private keys and seed phrases, be wary of scams and phishing attempts, and consider using hardware wallets for enhanced security. Also, be aware of the evolving regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies and understand the potential legal and tax implications. In conclusion, we've covered the process of buying $ESX on both MEXC Global and DEXs. Always remember the importance of due diligence and risk management before investing. Start your journey with $ESX responsibly, but keep in mind that this information is not financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.